911, what's the address of emergency?
So I'm not sure if open carry is legal or illegal in Florida, but there's a individual with an assault rifle and a sidearm walking through DuBois Park.
Okay, give me one moment. Is he black, white, or Hispanic?
Looks like African American,
Okay, give me one moment.
potentially Hispanic.
All right. Do we know what color shirt he had on?
His white shirt. He's carrying a fishing pole and either a bag or a bucket. He's in the on the coastmost part of the of DuBois Park, walking towards the ocean.
On the coast side of the park?
Correct.
Okay, and again, he's either Hispanic or black male?
Correct.
And it's a rifle over his shoulder or across his body?
Across his chest and a loaded sidearm. Did not look like the assault rifle was loaded, but it was not hidden by any means.
Okay. And he's carrying a fishing pole in hand?
Yes.
What color shirt is he wearing?
White.
Did he make any contact at all with anyone?
No, I was in the parking lot in my car, and then I left after seeing it.
All right. Do you still have a visual of him?
I do not.
Okay. Do you know what color type of vehicle he came in?
I didn't see him. I just saw him walking on the sidewalk.
All right. Was he tall, short, heavy, slim at all?
Probably slim, 6 foot.
And nothing violent or physical, gestured or threatened, correct?
Just looked like he was just casually walking.
Okay. All right. And let's see here. I just want to confirm Hispanic male or black male wearing a white shirt. Did he have shorts or jeans on? Anything else that you can...
My hood was in the way, but it looked like maybe cargo shorts.
Okay. Like khaki?
Can't be positive. Yeah, like greenish.
Okay.
Greenish khaki.
Okay. Those are shorts, right?
I think so, but I'm not positive.
All right. Do you know around how old he was?
I don't. I didn't get a great look.
Okay.
He had facial hair and kind of curly short hair.
All right. And just confirming DuBois Park, correct? 19075
Right.
DuBois Road? All right. And...
Yeah, I think so. DuBois Park in by the Jupiter Inlet.
Okay. Yeah, I have several officers going, especially with all the kids that frequent that area. They're going to go out there as a precautionary and circulate the area. So just confirming he was on the coast side of the park, right?
Correct. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So you take that bridge across, or that road that goes up, and there's that parking lot. Watching boats coming out of the inlet, if he was at that parking lot.
Okay. All right. Excellent. And I will go ahead and update them, and we will have units in the area. Do you want to remain anonymous?
Yeah, that'd be fine. I don't
Okay.
think so.
No problem, sir.
All right,
Thank you. No problem. Bye-bye. Where's your emergency?
I wanted to update a location. I just had called in about a reported sighting of a man with an assault rifle. And I just hung up with him a couple minutes ago. Yeah, DuBois. It's actually, when you look on the map, it says Aloha Surf School. I'm not sure if it's technically Jupiter Beach Park or DuBois Park.
On Google Maps, that's where it shows?
Yeah, exactly. It says Aloha School Park, or Aloha Surf Park. And it was in that parking lot that I saw him.
Aloha Surf Park. Let me look at a Google Map so I can see what you're seeing.
Okay. Because I think technically DuBois Park is just across a little inlet.
Okay, so you're over by... Okay, so it's not actually
just
Jupiter Beach
just
Park.
north.
It's by
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
actually by the inlet.
Exactly. Yeah, I was on that sidewalk on the inlet.
Okay, all right, I'll let them know.
All right, thank you.
All right,
Bye-bye.
thanks. Bye.